Okay, so this is the A version of the app. As you can see, kind of in a space environment here, able to walk around in the environment with my feet. I can also move around by pointing at the ground and teleporting. Can snap to different angles. Can turn like this, or I can turn using the controllers here. And this is kind of the main form of what the programming objects look like. You have the option, you can take them, move them around, you can move them further from you or closer to you using the joysticks, and then you can snap them together and put them in different combinations. This is the input of the print object, and then the green boxes indicate kind of the sequencing of how the program is going to execute when you run it. So you can run the program and it prints this statement to the print. You have a menu over here that indicates that the tutorial is complete. You can go to these different levels, and over here for each level there are some instructions. You can go navigate through the instructions using your laser pointers. Here's what level 1 looks like. These are some strings. This is an integer here. These are some Boolean values. And you can work on the sequencing of what order to do them in order to get some different results. There's level 2, which has addition, where you can put some of the different strings or integers together. You can multiply different integers or numbers together and get different combinations. Level 3, you have the option to compare different numbers with the equality or the greater than. You can use the results of those to make some booleans. And level 4, you have an if a conditional statement that allows you to print something in a certain condition. There's a variable here called alibi that prints once. Or that is true for one instance of the run and false for the other instance of the run. So you can see it in my client is not, and in the second one it just printed the not, having skipped this section here.